What's up, guys? Good to see you here on the channel as always. So we're in San Francisco still. We just hiked up to the Coit Tower. Beautiful views of San Francisco. But what I really want to show you guys, and I couldn't on the way up because there's like 5 million steps to climb all the way up here. Our Uber driver Nadine showed us the secret passage to go up to Coit Tower. There are some fantastic plants along the way that I'm going to show you now that I can breathe since we're going downhill. This is one of the coolest little pathways that I've ever seen. It is long, so if you're not in good shape, do not attempt to go up these steps because I'm still winded, even though we're going down now. About killed me going up here. But anyway, this little sidewalk, these stairs just kind of weave in and out these homes here in San Francisco, and they have planted it up with some fantastic stuff. So I guess each one of these little homes has its own little raised bed garden area. There's giant eucalyptus, there's a magnolia, looks like a purple flowering plum right there, but some really neat stuff down here. It's just so quaint how everybody's got their own little bed out here. You got some agapanthus mixed in with some roses. There's actually even jade. Look at the size of this jade. Some giant ivy growing here. There's a nice big loquat. Some red cordyline, some loropetalum, some pineapple lily. I don't know what this is. It almost looks like a fuchsia. Really cool plant, whatever it is. This looks like some large form pittosporum. Some more loropetalum. Now what is this? That's almost like another type of fuchsia. Gotta be. Those beautiful flowers hanging down. Some type of that looks like a giant cordyline right there, doesn't it? Variegated angel's trumpet. This is just a beautiful little trail down. Look at these lilies. Man, some giant sedum. How would you like to live in one of these apartments? I'm sure it's expensive. Big Japanese maple right here. That is just really something, but it goes way up there. And again, I don't want to see any more steps for about a week. I believe that might be bear's britches there. I don't know. Y'all comment in the section below and let me know what you think it is. Looks like Australian tree fern there. Some variegated Japanese pieris. Don't know what that is unless it's like purple shield or something. Nice little Japanese maple right here. Hey, how y'all doing?
Hi.
Don't know what this guy is, but he's got kind of a bluish silvery tinge to him. Another Japanese maple there in the corner. And we have finally made it to the bottom. You know, I guess, I don't know what the gardening zone is here in San Francisco, but they are able to grow just like a ton of different things. Some shrubs that we have back home, what I'm envious of is like the jade plants and stuff. They're actually able to grow like house plants outside. We got some big bottle brush right here. Going back down the steps, fellas. Oh, at least we're going down this time.
Yeah, I'm going down. I'm gonna take the elevator.
I wish there was an elevator. Nadine's trying to kill me. I can't do it. I'm wore out, man. This is like the stairway to the secret garden. Nadine, you know all the secret spots, man. Here we got some type of aloe growing there. Not exactly sure what this is. They got a lot of things I'm just not familiar with. Now I do know that's definitely bear's britches. It looks like it's already sent up its flower spike. Got another big loquat down here with the uplighting on it. And then there's a giant palm. Now y'all know me, I don't know the palms. I have a bunch of nasturtium right there. Some salvia in the corner. I don't know what type of palm that is, but that is absolutely gorgeous and massive. Got some blue agave, some variegated sedum, more rose bushes. It's incredible what can grow tucked up in here among all of these townhomes in a lot of shade, given off by another beautiful green Japanese maple here. And this, I'm not sure what it is, but almost looks like a Mexican petunia. Some more agave. Oh look, clivia. So this is I've got as a house plant, and they can just grow it all out here. Nice little seating area down there. Some more giant angel's trumpet. Look at the caliper on that angel's trumpet. That looks like a coffee plant. This is a butylon or Chinese hanging lantern. More rose bushes. Nice hydrangeas just starting to open up. Even bird of paradise up here, y'all. So jealous of this place. I want to live here. Foxglove. Some nandina. This is absolutely mind-blowing, you guys. Another humongous angel's trumpet. Looks like some more. I guess this is Australian tree fern. I'm telling you, they just can grow anything out here. Don't know what that is. Oh, hummers. This place is magical, you guys. Some big cordyline there. Beautiful roses. Man, yeah, I could live right up there. You got the view of the bay. Look at that. This is one well-kept secret garden here in San Francisco, right at the base of the Coit Tower. Is this lilac? I think it is. I think it's very sweet, but we can't grow lilac back home, so I'm not super familiar with it. Oh man, what is this? This is way too cool, guys. I don't know what this is, but it's growing everywhere up here. Nice climbing rose. Whoops, I'm about to go into somebody's private property. I get sidetracked, man. My brain is in flower overload. Here's a rose of Sharon, type of hibiscus. I mean, just the amount of species that they have on this one walkway is mind-blowing. Some more nasturtium. Wow, almost down to the bottom. Looks like we got some type of cedars right there. Man, the banks are so steep, yet they're just covered in beautiful flowers. Well guys, there's your inside look at what I'm going to go ahead and coin the stairway to the secret garden here in San Francisco. If you're ever in the area, I would suggest only going down the steps and then maybe catching an Uber, because hiking up them nearly killed me. I appreciate you guys watching. The more you know, the more you grow. I'm trying to watch these steps. I'll see you on the next video.